Today, we're going to show you how to create auto guidance paths on your Garmin Chartplotter. Auto guidance is for planning purposes only and does not replace safe navigation operations. For this process, we will be using the GPSMAP 8612 XSV, but the process is similar on other compatible GPS and Echomap chart plotters. Garmin recommends installing the latest software on your chart plotter before using the auto guidance feature. Follow the link in the description for help with updating your chart plotter. Some chart plotters have the auto guidance feature built in. Others will not show the auto guidance option without a separately purchased supplemental map. Before you begin using auto guidance, you will need to set up parameters for your vessel. From any screen, select the Home button. Then select Settings, Preferences, Navigation, and Auto Guidance. Auto guidance will not be offered if the water is too shallow or the vessel is too close to the shore as defined by the chart plotter's auto guidance parameters. Additionally, it will not create a path to destinations outside these parameters, such as a marina berth. Preferred depth sets the minimum water depth your vessel can travel. Vertical clearance sets the minimum height of a bridge or obstacle your vessel can safely travel under. Shoreline distance sets how close to the shore you want the auto guidance path to be placed. The path may move if you change this setting while navigating. The values available for this setting are relative, not absolute. Select Close once your auto guidance parameters are set. There are multiple ways to create an auto guidance path. We will start by creating an auto guidance path using the chart. Select the area you want to navigate by tapping the screen. A circle with crosshairs will appear, marking the chosen destination. Then select Auto Guidance at the top of the screen to create an auto guidance path. A purple line will then display, showing you the recommended path based off your auto guidance parameters. The path can be adjusted if you see any caution symbols or hazards. Caution symbols appear if the path contains an area outside your parameters, like depth and shoreline distance, or hazard areas like bridges. Paths can be adjusted in case an area is too close or far from the shoreline. Select Adjust Path to make any adjustments. Tap on the purple line. Press and hold the black circle and move it in the direction you want the path. You can continue to do this if more adjustments are needed. Select Done. Select Back. Then select Start Navigation to start the auto guidance path. A message will prompt giving the option to engage the autopilot if the vessel has a Garmin autopilot connected. You can also adjust the path during navigation. Tap the purple line, then select Adjust Path. Tap the purple line to add points. Press and hold the black circle to move it in the direction you want the path. Select Remove to delete a selected point. Select Done when you have completed your adjustments to the path. Then select Resume Navigation to return to your chart screen. Finally, you can start an auto guidance path using a waypoint. From any chart, select Where To. Select Waypoints. Select the waypoint you would like to navigate to. Select Review. Navigate to, then select Auto Guidance. A purple line will then display, showing you the recommended path to the waypoint based off your auto guidance parameters. Select Adjust Path to make any adjustments. Select Done, then select Start Navigation once you have completed any adjustments. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit marinesupport.garmin.com.